Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to improve the Samsung battery life with these display settings. First of all, go to settings, tap on the option display. If you scroll down here, you can see the option screen resolution. First of all, you need to reduce the screen resolution. Now here I am going to select the option HD plus. You can see this is for the basic visuals, lowest battery use. Apply this one. Now here you can see the option screen timeout. First of all, you need to reduce the screen timeout. Go back and enable the dark mode and also enable the adaptive brightness. Display settings have major impact on battery life. So in this way we can improve the Samsung battery life with these display settings. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.